Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from ClicksGeek, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through the different options you have to set up for billing when you're setting up your billing in your Google Ads account, because this can get confusing, especially if you're not a marketer. If you're just a business owner and you're trying to get stuff going, this platform can be intimidating. I mean, look at it, it's kind of ridiculous, so we totally understand. So what you're looking at right now is our homepage of uh, Google Ads. So this is what you're going to see when you're logged in, or you might see an overview. Hold on, let me go just so you can. So you might see something like this too. Usually when you log in, you'll get at the overview. You can see here we have some campaigns. This is a demo account. But to set up your billing, we're going to go through some options here. We're going to come up to Tools and Settings. It's going to pull up this big drop down. We're going to come over here to Billing. Billing Summaries, where you're going to set up your stuff. Ooh, we're owed a credit. Awesome. So here's where you're going to be able to edit your billing stuff. You're going to have your settings here where you're going to put your business name, your address, all that stuff. And then this is going to be a view of your transactions. It's going to show you whenever that Google debits your account. And here's where you're going to manage your payment stuff. So you can add a payment method. This is what you're going to do here. You can add either a debit card or you can add a bank account. Really, really simple, guys. That's it. That's all you're going to do. Okay? So if we come back out, and you can set them up as the backup, as a primary. You can add as many cards or bank accounts as you want. So that's how you're going to do that. It's really simple. And let's go back into billing documents here. All right, so this is more transaction data. Come down to billing setting. I think that's going to pull in my personal information though. So in the billing settings is where you're going to be able to set up your automatic payments. And or you're going to have a couple options here. So learn about thresholds, how to set budgets for your campaign. So if we go to thresholds here, let's see what Google's telling us. So you can set automatic payments or payment. I'll actually drop this link to this in the comment section. I'm sorry, the description section below this video, because you're going to need to look at this stuff too. So automatic payments is just you connect your card or your bank account, and Google will you set your daily budget for your campaigns, and Google's just going to, once they hit a certain threshold, whether it's $100 or $500, Google's just going to tag your card and bill you for it and just withdraw the money from your bank account or your card. So that's really all it means. It's a 30-day billing cycle. You can see here. It's not difficult to understand, and that's where you're going to set that up, is down here into manage settings, which I'm not going to go into because I believe it's going to pull up all my personal information then, and I definitely don't want that in a YouTube video. So that's pretty much it for billing. I don't really, there's not really much else to it. I mean, you come up here at Tools and Settings, Billing Summary, and you just start adding your card or your bank account or whatever you want to do. And then you choose if you want to fund the account from the bank account or card, or if you want to set up automatic payments. I highly recommend that you set up automatic payments. It's just a much more efficient way to run your Google Ads campaigns. All right, so if you guys have any questions about that, make sure you drop them below in the comment section below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll put like I said, I'll put a link for the Google Help articles for setting up automatic payment, stuff like that, just so you kind of have a reference, a tangible reference point that you can look at and can walk you through in case this is confusing for you or anything like that. But I'll drop those and some other stuff in the description. I'll put some links in there. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.